Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating a GA4 property. Sign into Google with the account tied to your site. Once done, click Create Property, name it, set the reporting time zone and currency, and choose Web for the data stream. Make sure to enter the exact site URL, including HTTPS if used. You're starting the measurement ID generation now, so pause here only to confirm admin permissions and that you can edit site code. These are required before you paste any tags. Now copy the measurement ID or the full G tag. JS snippet from your GA4 data stream settings. If you control code, paste the G tag snippet into the head of your site template so it loads on every page. If you use Google Tag Manager, create a GA4 configuration tag and publish. Once implemented, open your site in a new tab and check GA4 real-time reports. You should see activity. If nothing appears, allow a minute and then recheck the tag placement and browser console for errors. Finish by enabling enhanced measurement to auto-track page views, scrolls, and outbound clicks. Then configure key conversions and events and mark them as conversions. Link Search Console and any ad accounts for richer insights. If you don't see data, first disable browser ad blockers or test in incognito without extensions. Next, confirm cookie consent banners aren't blocking the tag. Finally, open the browser console to spot script errors. Correcting a mismatched ID or blocked script usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.